welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn the notification, give a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to surprise my daughter with this dog. Yep, this dog. Don't forget to turn the notifications on so you can see what happens next in the video and on my channel. So we're gonna put the puppy in. We're gonna hide the stuff. We're gonna hide the stuff. So the stuff is over there. I'm gonna tell you what we got. We got a toy, which is a donut toy. We got some chicken for the dog. We got a toy. We got some dog treats. We got some more dog treats. We got like a couch, a dog play, and some more toys, and then we got some more food. So let's put them back. Okay, now that we put everything back, we're gonna put the puppy in. Oh, let me see if this can fit on the puppy. Oh, I wanted it to fit on the puppy. But anyway, we're gonna put the puppy in this box, and then we're going to. Sorry, I'm kind of sick. I'm gonna put him in this box, and I'm gonna put him outside. Then, when I finish putting him outside, then we're going to. Sorry, I'm speaking too fast. Let's put him outside. We're putting him outside. Yeah, we're putting him outside. And then we're going to act like nothing happened. Okay? Let me go get my phone from my room. Yeah, I need my phone. Okay, where did I put it? Oh, found it. Yeah, let me just call her just to make sure she's coming home. Hey, you coming? Yeah, bye. Okay, she's coming home. I called her, so she said she's coming home. So, I'll call her again. You coming home? Yeah, bye. Okay, call her home. I called her twice. I'm gonna sit down on the couch, and then I'm gonna pretend that I'm going to act like I don't know about the surprise. 3, 2, 1. I'm coming home from school. Oh, it's a box. Let me pick it up. But I wonder what is inside that box. I can't pick up the box with my backpack on. Okay, let me take my backpack. Mom, there's a package. What is it? I don't know. Open it, let's see. A puppy! What's her name? We're going to name her in the next video. If you want to see what happens in the next video of our new puppy, you can go put your notifications on and take a huge thumbs up so you can see what happens to the puppy and see what we're going to name it. No. Okay. Let's go. Let's leave the puppy here. So, hi guys. I didn't even know my mom was recording. But I'll tell you what we have. We have the dog blow, we have the dog tree, we have the dog treats, we have the dog treats, we have the dog couch with the toys on it, we have everything that the dog wants. Oh, yeah. Okay. I want my drink. Oh, yeah, your drink. I forgot about that. Ready? Okay. Let's go up the floor that we have to go to. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that we also got a fish. But the fish isn't in this thing. Ruby, we got a fish? Yeah, but it's not in his thing. Oh. So we're getting it. Then we got some more dog treats. But anyway, let's create the intro. Bye guys! We hope you have a great day. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. Do great stuff. Bye! We love you. Come to the next video to find out what we name our dog. Bye! Remember to keep gaming. Bye!